Hi, welcome along, and in today's how to play video, following on from the large response I've had for a Doors thing I did called Roadhouse Blues. Now today we're going to be doing a song known as People Are Strange, also a Doors track, featured in the film The Lost Boys when Echo and the Bunnymen did it. But say yes, People Are Strange by the Doors. I've had a lot of requests for this. Thank you so much for taking part. Thanks for everyone that's liked and subscribed so far. I am reading through all of your requests. Get your requests in. If there's a song you want me to cover, let me know and we'll have a look at it. Right, so go grab your guitar. You know the drill. Grab your guitar and I'll see you back here in 3, 2, 1. Right then, so let's get into it. People Are Strange by the Doors. So first off, let's have a look at the chords we're going to need for this little beauty. We've got to do a E minor, an A minor, a B7, a G, and a crazy little thing we're going to be covering a little bit later in this video, which is when you get a B7 and you move it up to a semitone and then drag it back again. So you sort of get a C7 kind of thing going on there. So it's... We'll get to that a bit later. Right, first off then, E minor, we're going to be... this is the picking part right at the beginning of the song. So we're going to be going... playing, so hold an E minor, we're going to play strings 6, 5, 4, 3, 4. And then we've got the little rundown which happens on the 5th string using our 1st and 2nd fingers. So we're 5th string, and then down for an A minor, which was 5, 4, 3. And then back to an E minor, and then play the 3rd string again. 3, 4. Strings 3 and 4. So let's play all of that together. So we got 6, 5, 4, 3, 4. Run down. Then A minor. 5, 4, 3. Back to E minor. 3, 4. Then the run down again. 5, 4, 3. Back to E minor. 3, 4. And then here we got, before we go into the B7, we do a hammer on. So this is the bit you play like this. You go and then strike it again on the 5th string. So strike it once, and then again once you've hit that note, because you want this note twice. And the reason you want that note twice is because the 2nd time is a B7. So 5, 4, 3. Top string E. So let's play all of that together. So E minor, 6, 5, 4, 3, 4, run down. A minor, 5, 4, 3, E minor, 3, 4, run down. 5, 4, 3, 3, 4 in E minor. So we got 5, 4, 3, E. Then we got a cheeky little bit that starts us again, which goes, you got your finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, the 5th string, and we're going to go. So 2nd fret, 5th string, open 5th string, and then we're going to sort of pull down on the 3rd fret of the 6th string and then let it off. And that's also how you open. Before we get into the picking part, there's that little thing, but it's not bent when we open up. We go. Right, now, this is the bit where it changes. So, as you can see, we played through it in its entirety, in sequence. And then we played through it again a second time. But the way we do the B7 the second time is slightly different. So, let me show you that all together. So, we've got... Pardon me. This is the second time. And then we've got a second finger. Instead of doing what we did before on the B7, we're going to have second finger on the second fret of the E string, the 6th string, and then we're going to have our first finger on the first fret of the D string, and we're going to just play 6, 5, 4, and then open E. So all together then, let's get this picking bit out the way. So this is what it will sound like. So first time round it goes. Got it? 1, 6, 5, 4, then open E. Now moving on to the next bit. The next bit is when you're strange, faces come out in the rain. So it's syncopated. It's off, 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 off. There's your B7. G, 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 G. B7. G, 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 G. B7. And that's that bit I showed you at the beginning of this video when we slide it up. We go. So let's go through that again. So when you're strange, B7, G, 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 B7. When you're G, 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 B7, and down, up, down, up. And then we bring it back into the verses again by going. So we're in a B7. Yeah, so we're in a B7. To bring it back into ba ba da 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 ba dee dee da 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 B7, G, 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 B7, ba, 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 G, 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 B7, So there we have it. People are strange by the doors. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comment section below. I always love to hear from you. And also, if there's any songs you'd like me to cover for a future video, again, let me know down in the comment section below. I do read through all of them and I do my very best to answer all of them too. So always great to have you taking part. To those of you that have liked and subscribed already, you lot are amazing. If you've liked today's video, you know what to do. Thank you so much for your support. I'll catch you back here in the next video. Who knows, it could be one of yours. Thank you so much. See you next time.